With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi guys, here is the question. An increase in temperature by 10 degrees Celsius can increase the number of collisions only 2%, but the rate of reaction increases by 100%. Why? So this is because of the temperature is directly proportional to the kinetic energy, but on the other hand, number of collision is proportional to the either velocity or square root of the velocity. So in Arrhenius concept, the rate expression rate increases exponentially, not linear. So if we change in temperature, the number of molecules, if we change in temperature, if the temperature increases by 10 degrees Celsius, then the number of collisions will increase, and the number of molecules which are exceeding the activation energy will increase exactly double times, and the rate will increase 100% times. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.